Hello, and welcome to today's video on minimalism. In recent years, minimalism has become a popular lifestyle trend that emphasizes living simply and intentionally. In this video, we will explore the philosophy behind minimalism, its benefits, and how to incorporate it into your life. First, let's dive into the philosophy behind minimalism. At its core, minimalism is about living with less. This means decluttering your physical space, but also your mental space. By reducing the distractions in your life, you can focus on what truly matters to you. One of the biggest benefits of minimalism is that it reduces stress and anxiety. When you have fewer possessions and commitments, you have more time and mental space to focus on your goals and passions. Additionally, living with less can help you save money and reduce your environmental impact. So, how can you incorporate minimalism into your life? Here are a few tips. Start by decluttering your physical space. Go through your belongings and get rid of anything that you no longer need or use. This can be a daunting task, so start small and tackle one area at a time. Next, reduce your digital clutter. Unsubscribe from emails you no longer read, delete apps you don't use, and organize your computer files. Practice mindfulness. Take time to reflect on your priorities and let go of things that don't align with your values. Finally, be intentional with your time and commitments. Say no to activities or obligations that don't bring you joy or serve a purpose in your life. In conclusion, minimalism is a powerful lifestyle movement that can help you simplify your life, reduce stress, and focus on what truly matters. By decluttering your physical and mental space, you can live a more intentional and fulfilling life.